Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. A very warm welcome to all present here. Respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Alhamdulillah, today we gather here on this special occasion as we celebrate 10th annual day of Al-Fitra Islamic Peace School. It's a great honor for me welcome you all to our annual event. Once again, welcome to all to our annual day celebration. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.